Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a gadget that promises to cut the cords and simplify your digital life. The new Wi-Fi wireless HDMI mirror screen display adapter. This isn't just another dongle. It's designed to be your go-to solution for getting content from your small screen onto the big one, whether that's your phone, tablet, or laptop, straight onto your HD 4K TV. One of the most frustrating things about screen mirroring devices can be the constant fiddling with settings or having to switch modes depending on whether you're using an Android phone, an iPhone, or a Mac. But with this particular adapter, that hassle is completely eliminated. The manufacturer explicitly states, "No need to switch," meaning it intelligently handles different operating systems without you having to lift a finger. This is a huge convenience factor, especially if you have a household with a mix of devices. Speaking of devices, the compatibility here is impressively broad. It supports Android 4 and higher, iOS 6 and higher, Mac, and even Linux 3.08 or higher. So whether you're an Apple enthusiast, an Android loyalist, or even a Linux user, this adapter has you covered. This wide-ranging support makes it an incredibly versatile tool for almost any tech setup. The HD 4K TV support is another standout feature. This isn't just about mirroring, it's about mirroring in crisp, high-definition quality. Imagine streaming your favorite movies, sharing vacation photos, or even giving a presentation, all in stunning 4K resolution directly from your device to your TV. It functions as a Miracast dongle, which is a widely recognized standard for wireless display, ensuring a reliable connection for your content. Think about the possibilities. No more huddling around a small phone screen to show off a funny video, no more struggling with cables for a quick presentation at work or school, and certainly no more compatibility headaches. It's designed for seamless integration, making it incredibly user-friendly. Setting it up is straightforward, and once it's connected, you're ready to cast almost anything you want. From casual entertainment to more professional uses, this adapter truly simplifies the process of sharing digital content. This Wi-Fi wireless HDMI mirror screen display adapter really stands out for its no need to switch functionality and its extensive operating system support, all while delivering content in beautiful 4K. It's a powerful little device that brings a lot of convenience to anyone looking to bridge the gap between their personal devices and their television. It's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a reliable and versatile screen mirroring solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.